Oh no, another day of unpredictable weather. But drying clothes indoors can take forever. Tumble dryers can cost a bomb, and if your clothes shrink, the damage is done. Say goodbye to damp washing that lingers for days. And hello to the Easy Breezy Smartline with motorised breeze-boosted drying. No sunshine required. It's the fast, ultra-efficient way to dry your washing indoors, up to 3 times faster. And it's so affordable to run. 100 loads in this dryer could cost over $200. But with Easy Breezy Smartline, it's just $1. Wow, that's 100 loads for just $1. The secret is its motorised fast dry technology, which rotates the Easy Breezy Smartline up to 1,320 times per hour. This creates a gentle, continuous breeze that flows through every line and around every garment, mimicking nature to dry your clothes up to 3 times faster without the drama. So, no sun-faded clothes, no unpredictable weather, or worse. And check this out, it can even hold up to 2 loads of washing. Plus, it's super strong and stable, powers up instantly, then folds down with ease when you're done. Easy Breezy Smartline. It's the faster way to dry washing indoors and so affordable to run. Call Global Shop Direct or go online now to get the Easy Breezy Smartline for this low price and check out our 5 easy monthly payments. Plus, if you order right now, you'll also receive a free Easy Breezy laundry bundle valued at $50. You'll get a collapsible laundry bag, roomy enough for a full load, and a pack of soft grip pegs, gentle on clothes but tough on hold. The Easy Breezy Smartline is exclusive to Global Shop Direct and comes with a 3-year warranty, plus a 100-day try and dry money-back guarantee. Try it at home, and if you don't love it, simply send it back within 100 days for a full refund of the product price. The Easy Breezy Smartline makes drying faster and more affordable than ever. Plus, you'll get the free laundry bundle when you order from Global Shop Direct today.